Happy New Year, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I'm from the Stream Machines on our YouTube channel. We are the Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. I want to wish everyone a Happy New Year again. As we jump into this video, I want to show you really quick. I've been asked to show by video how to add a second row of applications on a Formuler Z11 Pro, a Z11 Pro Max, or even a Z Mini. Now, if this is your first time to our Stream Machines YouTube channel, thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share this video with someone who has a Formular and wants to know the best way to do things. Now, the reason I'm doing it on a Z11 Pro because the person follows our channel and they were asking specifically about the Z Mini. How come they can't see the second row like in our videos or the video that I made? There was a second row of applications that were available. Well, the reason I chose the Z11 Pro because there's no difference in the app that it uses. The Formuler Z11 Pro and the Formuler Z11 Pro Max, the Formuler Z Mini, and the Formuler now new Z12 Ultra, they all use My TV Online 3. Okay, so the process, that means that the process that I'm about to show you works on all those devices. Now, this will be a very quick video, not going to keep you long because it's super easy. As you look at the Formular launcher page we're on right now, you'll notice at the top left you have Formular, which is the name of the manufacturer. You have Home, and you have another section that says Apps. As you move over to Apps, these are the only apps I have on my device right now. These are it. So there's not a lot to choose from, but it's still going to be very easy to do. Once you recognize that, you also can find a lot of different things in the launcher settings. As I move over to the settings wheel cog, you'll see the launcher settings that you can highlight here. As I go down, you can do a startup app if you'd like. You can set a wallpaper, especially on these. These have a gallery. So you can change the wallpapers if you didn't know. I mean, some people know this, some people don't. And I think I'll leave it right here. I like that color there. Okay. Or you got the history and favorites. You got the startup app and the parental settings. Okay. So what I want to do right now is in the launcher settings, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go, let me go here. Perfect. Make sure I'm good. On the home page here, I want to go here. If I go down to edit row here, press OK. It's going to say custom at the top, giving me a lot of options or some options to rename the row, add another row, or move it or delete it, however I do it. So I'm going to change it to rename, and I'm going to give the row a name, and I'm going to call it boat, B-O. Let's just call it Bob. I'm going to click the check mark here. Now Bob is there, so I can add to Bob. So if I click and highlight the plus sign and press OK, now I can find other apps here. There's 3 that I can choose from. The ones that are grayed out are already on the home page, so that gives me 3 to choose from. If you start adding other applications, this is where it comes into play, where you can do ExpressVPN, I can do Audio Optimizer, and the last one I can do is Chrome. Now I have everything on the home page that I prefer more. So my second set of apps named Bob, that row, has the applications that I prefer. Now, if I ever wanted to change it from favorites to Bob to get rid of something, I think I can go over to launcher settings. Okay, I think I can, and I can press OK on that. There's parental settings, and there's the wallpaper. So if I ever wanted to get rid of some things, give me 1 second. I could either go here and take Google Play Store. Oops, I opened it. Sorry. Let me go back out. Sorry. I can hold down Google Play Store, hold it down. Now I can move it. I can lock it. I can uninstall it and go info. If I lock it, if I move it, I can move it up and down. I can move it down the row. I can move it wherever I like. It's really up to me, and it'll move accordingly. So this gives you a lot of flexibility that you want on your homepage. And I think it's really worth taking a look at because in the app section, it works very, very well. Okay. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can remove it from the favorites. Let's say I want to remove this from the favorites. And once it's removed from the favorites, I can go add it to Bob. And now I can add it to the Play Store. So you can play with it, use it, and that's how you set up another row on your Formuler with the Formuler devices that have My TV Online 3. Now, this is going to bring us to the end of this video. Again, Happy New Year to everyone that's tuned in. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. In the next couple of videos, we're going to start showing you different ways to get in touch with us. Who are we? We are the Stream Machines. There are some good people that have been around me for a long time, and we love streaming. We love legal streaming. We're not out here doing the most. We're doing it the right way and going to continue to do it the right way because streaming is free. There's so much free entertainment that most of you people don't realize. You don't need IPTV. I'm going to say it out loud. You don't. You really, really don't, because there are so many free apps that give you everything you're looking for over the internet. But if you choose to go that route, you can. So we're working and showing people how to stream, how to use their devices, how to clean their devices. We offer different services, very inexpensive, tons of value, and we've been doing it a long time. I will see you guys in the next video, and we're going to take a look at some things, but stay tuned. We have free giveaways and a way to connect with us. Take care.